I've used a variety of Tortuga bags over the years, and I feel like I know what to expect from them at this point. They're known for making premium, comfortable, and well-built travel bags. But ultralight, that's probably not the first word I would use to describe Tortuga. And that is why this bag really surprised me. This is the new Tortuga Superlite. It's a 34-liter travel backpack made with ultra fabric and weighs only 2.2 pounds empty. And somehow, even though Tortuga stripped this bag down to save weight, they still managed to keep the thing they are best known for, comfort. But who is this bag for? This is for the organized one-bag traveler who wants to get more of their carry-on weight limit bag. Let me explain. So I have probably my favorite travel backpack of all time, the Tortuga Travel Backpack Pro 40-liter here, which weighs around 4.5 pounds empty. And then we have the new Tortuga Superlite travel bag here. This is 2.2 pounds empty. Between the two, we're looking around 2.3 pounds of weight savings. So instead of saying just 2.3 pounds, let's actually show what that looks like. I'm gonna start adding some travel items to a scale here that would get us close to around that 2.3 weight difference, just to illustrate the difference in weight between bags. So here we have a tech pouch, throw in a pair of overhead headphones, got a wall charger, got a 6-foot braided cable with a tie, and a little travel mouse. So that puts us around 2.38 pounds-ish. That's pretty close. That is quite a difference between two empty bags. The weight savings here between an ultralight bag and a heavier bag can really equal a lot of real travel gear that you want to bring with you. So full disclosure, I've only had this bag for a couple days. I haven't really been able to put it through some serious use yet, but first hands-on impression, I'm pretty impressed with the bag. Of course, the main thing that we're going to notice is that the bag really is super light, right? That's the whole thing that they were going for here. For a 34-liter bag, the bag just feels incredibly light. Now, I'm a fan of the ultra fabric myself. I have other bags that are in X-Pack, and some people don't love the little crinkle effect that you get with either X-Pack or Ultra, but I don't mind that at all. It does sound just a little crunchy, but fully packed out and running around, you don't really hear it at all. So a couple of the key features I really like about this bag, we only have one water bottle pocket, and I usually like two if I'm going on a really long trip, one for an umbrella or a tripod or some extra gear. But this bag's mission is true ultralight, so having one water bottle pocket here is not the end of the world. With the bag packed out or with really anything inside, this mesh pocket grips your water bottle very well, and I've even turned it upside down and didn't lose the water bottle at that point. YKK zippers here with nice little zipper pulls. The bag opens up very nicely, so if you throw it on a bed or just need easy access, as you can see, bag opens up super nice. Two different large zippered storage compartments here. Can fit quite a bit in there. And a generous amount of room here. Not too much organization outside of these two compartments here. So again, this is really for someone who is pretty organized and really wants to go super light, but I really like how everything just feels nice and spacious as the walls just kind of like stand up here. Got a quick access storage pocket here with some organization. Perfect little stretch pocket for a phone or a battery. Got your key leash with a little hook here, and another separate organization pocket here. Very nice. I like that they went with mesh here so you can kind of see what you have in here. You're not digging around. And in classic Tortuga fashion, they did not skimp on comfort. So even though this bag weighs so little, I am just amazed at how they were able to put comfortable straps and a comfortable back panel. They probably could have gone even lighter with this bag, but they know how important comfort is. All throughout the bag on the straps with the load lifters, the sternum strap here, and even the straps down here, we have nice strap keepers to keep everything organized and neat looking. Top handle here, not super robust, but you do have some cushion as you grab and lug this around, and another side handle here so you can kind of grab the bag at any which way. Also in Tortuga fashion, a nice soft laptop compartment that goes pretty deep down inside the back of the bag here, with a good sized false bottom so that when you put your bag down, you're not going to hurt your laptop. So the only thing I would personally change on this bag is to maybe throw a coated zipper on the laptop compartment here, if not all throughout. Again, that is just my opinion. I'm sure there are many of you out there who disagree, and that is totally fine. But overall, this is an excellent bag, and super pleased to see Tortuga taking this really bold direction with an ultralight bag. Let me know in the comments, is this a bag you can see yourself carrying? Are you excited about a 34-liter bag that weighs only 2.2 pounds, which clearly allows you to get a lot of your carry-on weight limit back? As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.